quick video because YouTube thinks you guys are idiots. This is the puff pastry I use for basically everything. It's super easy. 1.25 cups of flour, 1 stick of butter, no blender needed, just massage. You could probably pre-chop these. You want to mix it until it can get a little bit sticky. Until you can pick up everything and have a clean bowl. If you want to make it a sweet pastry, you just do 1/4 cup of sugar. Just a pinch of salt. This looks pretty hydrated, but I add about up to 1/4 cup of water. You can roll it out right here, or like me, I'm gonna save it in the freezer. It's probably good for up to 6 months. Just don't forget about it. You can use this for pies, chicken pot pies. Let's wrap it up. And freeze. If you want to figure out how to roll the dough, look it up on YouTube because you guys are not idiots. So, there you go. Super quick video.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.